Hi, first graders. Today we're going to go over Unit 2, Lesson 2. Today's learning targets are, I can read and identify nouns and proper nouns, I can read tricky words, and I can ask and answer questions about key details in the story called The Pet. So today we have been learning about nouns. What is a noun? Good. A noun is a person, place, or thing. A noun is a part of speech that names a person. A noun is a part of speech that names a person and a thing. A noun is a part of speech that names a place. Listen carefully to the following phrases. I will ask you to tell me the noun in the phrase. Repeat after me. Tall dad. Which one is the noun? Good job, dad. Repeat after me. Green grass. Which word is the noun? If you said grass, that's the thing. Nice job. Repeat after me. Big book. Which one is the noun? If you said book, you are correct. Book is the thing. Repeat after me. Small school. Which word is the noun? If you said school, that's the place. That's the noun. Nice job. Birds singing. Which word is the noun? If you said birds, you are correct because birds are a thing. Car honks. Which word is the noun? If you said car, you are correct because the car is the thing. Hot beach. Which word is the noun? If you said beach, you are correct because that is the place. Repeat after me. Pink flower. Which word is the noun? If you said flower, you are correct because a flower is a thing. Hot soup. Which word is the noun? If you said soup, you are correct. Soup is a thing. Sun shines. Which word is the noun? If you said sun, you are correct. Sun is a thing. Okay, so a person, place, or thing is called a noun. Nice job. Today we will learn about a special kind of noun called a proper noun. Say proper noun. Great. Proper nouns are called proper because they name someone or something specific, like a person. Listen to these two nouns, Jane, girl, which refers to a specific person. If you said Jane, you are correct because she is a specific person. She has a name. She's not just a girl. Jane is a proper noun because it names a specific person. Every person in our class has a proper noun for their name. When I say your name, raise your hand. Let's see. Eliseo, raise your hand. Mrs. Casano, raise your hand. Sophia, Noel, Grayson. Good. Those are all proper nouns of first graders. Mrs. Schuster, Mrs. Katende, Miss Marikeen, and Miss Dickinson. Now all of the girls raise your hands. If you're a girl, raise your hand. The word girl refers to many students in our class, not just one. It is not a proper noun because there can be hundreds of girls, but there's only one Mrs. Casano. Now all of the boys raise your hands. The word boy refers to many students in the class, not just one. It is not a proper noun. The name of one boy might be Camden. Proper nouns help us identify specific people or things. So say Blake and Katie. Say hi, Blake. Hi, Katie. These are proper nouns because they name a specific person. Here are our tricky words for the day. Show me 2 thumbs up if you're ready. Woohoo! I'm ready to go. I'm excited. So tricky words are words that don't play by the rules. Today we will learn tricky words. Here's our first tricky word. What is this word? That's right, he. Say he. Say the sentence with me. Ready? He is nice. What is this word? She. Great. Say the sentence with me. She likes to sing. Excellent, first graders. What is this word? Bee. Say bee. Good. Say the sentence with me. Ready? We have to be safe. Good. What is this word? I can hear you all the way from home if you say it loud enough. Me. Point to me. Say the sentence with me. Ready? This flower is important to me. Great job, firsties. What is this word? We. Say the sentence with me. Ready? We like to watch football. Excellent. So now we're going to go ahead and read the story called The Pet. Tell me right now, what is the name of your pet if you have one at home? My pet's name is Mags. What's yours? Awesome. So we're going to go ahead and find the title of today's story. Go back to the table of contents. And we're looking for The Pet. Here it is, ... page 10. Let's get it ready to go. Here's the title, The Pet. Let's preview some spellings for today. Short E says eh. Say eh. Repeat after me. Fed, bet, shep, step. Good. Double E makes what sound? E. Say E. Repeat after me. Feed, beat, sheep, steep. Excellent. So here's a vocabulary word, fangs. Those are the long teeth that you might see on an animal. Let's listen to today's story to find out from where Gran gets a pet. All right, so The Pet. Gran says, when I was in Hong Kong, I got a pet. What can it be? Asks Jen. Is it a fish? No, says Gran. Is it a dog? Asks Josh. No, says Gran. What do you think it is? I don't know. Let's read on to find out. Is this pet big? Asks Josh. Well, says Gran, he is not big, but he is long. Has he got teeth? Asks Josh. He has fangs, says Gran. What are fangs? Asks Jen. Just then the bell rings. Ding dong. Gran says, that must be him. So we already know that Gran's pet is long and it has fangs and he is not very big, but he's super long. Do we think we know what it is? Pause the video and make a prediction to the person that you're sitting with. Oh, we're going to have to find out next time what the pet is. I think I know what it is. Okay. Now we're going to go to page 2.1 in your Unit 2 Skills Workbook to answer the questions. These are the questions that are going to be on the Google form, but if you want to practice your handwriting and get these written down in the activity book as well, you can do that too, but please answer these on the Google form. So the story, or the title of the story is The Pet. Number 1, where did Gran get the pet? Number 2, Gran said that the pet has 3 green teeth, has long legs but no feet, is long and has fangs. Circle in your answer or write it down and circle it in. Here we have to go with the picture. So if you have your workbook at home and the reader story, you're going to find this page in your story and you're going to write down some of the words that shows what pet might be behind the door. Very exciting. So again, please answer these questions on the Google form for the story The Pet. If you want to practice your handwriting, go ahead and write them down. If not, I believe we are all set to go. And, oops, we got one more part here. Worksheet 2.1. Oh, that's what that is, silly Mrs. Casano. We're all set for the day. Have a great day. I really enjoyed our lesson today. We will see you tomorrow. Bye, first graders.